Today we're playing Animal Hospital with my friends Milkshake and Rip something if you want to name the airplane. I'm secretary, Milkshake secretary, and Rip is like nurse. And I don't know why does he have a chameleon tail. It's weird that someone has a chameleon tail. And there's no one coming. The doctor's arriving. No. Get the doctor. Oh. It's a gazelle. Bro. I'm a new horror. Oh. I don't have anything in my journal. Now it's time for my turn. Yay, no one with us. Probably not gonna be me. See. Yep, it was not me, it was Rip. Oh, hell no. Set the cameras. Of course, it's in the wrong way. Oh, the headbanger. Give me the coffee. Go to room 5, boy. I said go to room 5. Yeah, walk like a dog. What are you spotting yourself? Wait, is he have a weird tail? Is he? Oh, no tail. That's weird. No, fine. I might have to end the video at a certain time because it's going to be bad. Okay, yeah, it's not really. Wait. I just felt those ears were kind of bad. Room 2. Let's check. Stop now opening it. I'm gonna serve some pieces on one camera now. Wait, I got phone. It's the main number. Is it normal? Yeah. Yo, what are you gonna do about it? Crap. You normal? Get out. Look, he's still staring at me. They're both like, The bear with a chameleon tail. It's kind of weird. I would say. It's the picture. No way, let's try to hack. If there's a hole. Okay, just don't. The room for it. And shift reason, I'm just gonna let them do it. The coffee's done, and then I'm gonna take that. This will just take 2 sips, and Barney wants a coffee. And save rest for like headbanger or Barney. And then have a coffee because the other coffee. I mean, this coffee. Oh, look, 83% sanity and 83% secretary. That's okay. That's weird. Did you put them right? I want to complete the surgery. Oh, what is that bond? Hey, what are you doing with the suitcase? Top secret. Nah, more like top. You removed your hand and cut it off. And you got plastic surgery. Taser? I'm gonna get the taser. And I'm gonna taser. Give me the taser. No, not the taser. Oh, we got the second one. Yeah. Wait. Okay, I have to be right back. Be back. I'm gonna buy a second window. What I can buy now. Oh, look at that. Look at that chocolate. Yeah, I'm gonna be AFK. Something. Be right back. 20 minutes, I can't be. Yeah, Mama. I have to be quick. Guys, I'm back. I thought I had to go. Bro, we could have saw that guy. Okay, you're gay. Oh, I forgot we had the taser. I thought we didn't have the taser. Good luck. Yo, I got 100 channel. Pony. Wait, what is Pony want? Hello, anomaly. Drum roll, please. Looks like anomalies. I think this is an anomaly. If it is dot.
After it's on your wallet.
It doesn't look okay. You have to keep an eye on that little boy. I should punch him. You buy it. How do you say fake? Confirm, let's say confirm. Haba. I got this one. No, I got the secretary. Oh. Let's see if this guy's. I don't trust, but I'll say it. Yo. I'll do it, chocolate. Let me see if my camera's still on. Yo, we've been playing for 9 minutes. We're only on shift 3, man. We had 4 people. Yo, 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 yo. Hold up. Oh, hell. Sorry, bro. Let's tease it. Don't test my age. Number 6, I'm gonna. I don't know, I'm just gonna do my job because I need to get into it. Hello. Oh my god. I got a heart attack. Yeah. Okay, heal back. Alright, now I have to go back to my job. Thanks. Hey. Yo, what? All my friends left. Okay, that's the end of Animal Hospital. Now it's time to do something weird that I shouldn't do.